So starting off strong with Kimmy. Oh my god. You see, when I watched the trailer,
We're all so glad that you could join us. Join you? I came to lead you.
hey bestie. So I just got back from an event and I said, let me quickly make this video. So this is my review on it. So after watching Beauty and Black season 2. So this is my review. So first thing first, should I start with the rating or should I start with the character or should I start with the interesting scene? Where should I start from? So let me start from the rating. No, I'm going to hold that on. So from what they gave to us last season, that's season 1, it was really interesting. I would have made like a review on it, but you know what? I said, let me just chill when season 2 comes out. If it's still going to bang like the first season, then you would see me giving my tea on it. Okay. So I'm going to talk about 5 characters. So these 5 characters made season 2 interesting for me. So starting off strong with Kimmy. Oh my god. You see, when I watched the trailer, all the banging words were just banging. Like Kimmy was just giving it to me hot, and I'm not going to lie, I am impressed. The trailer, I'm going to give it to TP. Like that guy did his homework real good. So I was so excited. I'm like so happy. So after watching the main show, I was like, girl, she did it. She did it. So Kimmy, yeah, Kimmy did well. Kimmy did well. Her character was great. I mean, compared to the first season, the bad acting wasn't that much. So it was really impressive. Really impressive. So as for me personally, I mean, when someone should, if I get to see like an opportunity like that, if I was in a position, trust me, I am taking that offer. Judging from where I'm coming from, come on, who wouldn't marry that man? Like getting married to a multi-billionaire rich man, an elderly one at that, knowing that it's very sick. That's one. So it's not even about the forever is going to be long. Well, I don't pray for him to die anytime soon, but let's just put that. That's one thing. Secondly, there is no prenup. Like if anything happen, if you decide, you know what, I don't want to do this anymore, you can decide to leave and you'll still be given what you want, right? And most importantly, you don't have to sleep with him. So girl, I'm taking that. I'm definitely taking that. So I don't know why she has just always been hesitating, like what girl. One part I was really angry with her was the fact that she thought he ordered they should kill Angel, and she didn't even do her homework, she didn't even do checking, nothing. She just picked her sister up and now they want to like escape to where, girl? Like to where? Why? At least I wish she like just call Orange, like, look, did you really kill Angel after everything? Like, you understand? But no, she just decided to leave. I don't know what has been going on with that girl's mind, but I'm really glad that she has been able to step into the role, and she didn't just step in, girl. She walked it. Like, I love how she commanded respect. Guys, did you guys see Jules' face? You see Jules, you see Roy. Oh my goodness, I was so impressed. Like, I loved it. I love the looks on their face. Like, I'm gonna kill this girl. But they cannot do anything. Like, you just can't do nothing, and I love it. So that's for Kimmy. I love her role. I love what she did. And what am I expecting in season 3? I'm expecting a lot of pressing of it. Like, I am expecting that. And so I will still get back to Kimmy. So next, going further, is going to be on Mallory. Oh my god. First season, Mallory didn't just give me enough tea. But this season, oh my goodness, I am impressed. I just love how she reciprocated. I love the energy. I love everything. I love the fact that she used the situation to make fun of Roy. Like, imagine finding out that the lady you've been banging is getting married to your dad and she's going to be your stepmom. Guys, it doesn't just end there. She's also going to be your boss. Oh my goodness, like that banked well. I really enjoyed the fact that Mallory was using it to like really embarrass Roy, was also using it to prove to Jules how she doesn't trust him, how Jules is like a two-faced nigga, and I love that. So how she was also trying to play cool with Kimmy, I'm like, girl, you better stay clear from that because that lady is definitely going to step on your head. And I love the fact that Kimmy is not even giving her breathing space. Like, I'm going to give it to you back to back, and however you want to take it, your problem, girl. That's your problem. So for me, I love it. I love the fact that she really made fun of the situation, and it was really interesting. It was really interesting. So as for she and Kimmy, I know there's going to be a lot of power battle there. Like, I know for sure. Like, she's definitely not going to like easily let go of her position. It's not possible. Definitely not possible. Mallory is always cooking. She's always finding something. And I really cannot wait to see what she's going to bring. I cannot wait. I really cannot wait. I'm moving next to Roy. You know when a blind person say they cannot see? Clearly they cannot see. It's just the same with a dumb person. Like, they cannot think, they cannot reason. Roy is so dumb. That guy is so dumb. Jesus Christ. Like, among everything he was just giving foolishness. Foolishness, guys. I'm not even going to lie. Like, it was so funny. I just couldn't hold it. Like, I was just laughing all through his stupidity. Why do he always like to try his father? Like, why does he always feel like he can always beat his dad? Like, why where does he get that inspiration from? Like, where? The most interesting scene for me is the part where the dad got to pee on him. Goodness, I love that part. I laughed my ass out. Like, I was so impressed. You know, when he came in and I was like, I know this man is definitely going to do the same thing his son has just been longing to do. And boom, he did it. This was just the best. Oh my goodness, it was so interesting. I was I was so happy. I was happy. I was like, Roy, well deserved, well deserved. Imagine even your wife couldn't believe that that happened. So as for Roy, well, the only thing I'm going to be expecting from that nigga is more stupidity, more foolishness, more drugs, more banging of O's, more nonsense. Honestly, more nonsense from me. And I love the fact that Mallory is not even letting however is behaving to affect her. She's just there for the bag, and girl, I got you. I got you. So I'm now in between picking between Mallory or Kimmy. Girl, we'll see about that. We'll see about that. So moving to Jules. Oh my goodness, Jules' part was so interesting. I love all the looks on his face. Like, guy, you never saw this coming. Like, never. How are you going to do now? Now you got a new boss. Imagine the lady you've been hunting down that you're going to deal with her so good that you will never forget. And now she's the one doing the dealing. Like that, like his face, everything is interesting. You know, the fact that he's now trying to threaten Kimmy with the fact, like telling Kimmy like, well, now you're now in the Bel Air, that doesn't mean that you can escape from my route, that I'm still going to hunt you down because I have you all in my palm. And Kimmy is like, hey nigga, let's not go there. I know your family, I know your daughter, I know your wife, and I also know your son. And why is Jules getting so upset? Like, bro, you started the threatening. Oh, it's okay for you to threaten someone else's children, someone else's family, but they shouldn't do the same thing to you. Well, Jules, I'm so looking forward to seeing how it's going to end up. I'm so looking forward to it because I know for sure that nigga is going to get it. Like, he will not see it coming. Now, to say the fact that one of his child is might, well, do you think that guy is going to make it? Okay, CP gave us something to think of, gave us something to hold on to, like the fact that they said, okay, it's not dead yet. Just maybe, just maybe. Who knows if he's going to make it? Who knows if he's not going to make it? Well, I really do hope he makes it. I really do hope he makes it because as for Rain, Rain, Rain right now, Rain is an handful. Like, that girl needs to chill. I don't even know what to say to Rain at this moment. I really don't understand what's going through her head. I don't even understand. So Rain's character, well, am I looking forward to seeing her in season 3? Honestly, I really don't know because at this point, she's trying to put Kim in a situation where Kimmy might get into a lot and lots of trouble. I mean, just look at this. All she had to do was just to hold herself, just be calm and try to understand the situation. I really do hope that guy doesn't die. I honestly do hope he's not dead. Like, I hope he makes it. The fact they said he's not dead yet, that doesn't mean he might not die later. So for now, really do hope he makes it. And for Kimmy's sister, like, you mean you just met someone right now and you're already like, really? Seriously? Are you like, have you been that? Oh my God. I don't even know what to say. When I saw that, I was like, what is this? Like, are you serious? Are you really, really serious? Pray that guy is not dead. Just pray, because this is definitely your fault. This is really, really your fault. And I hope Kimmy gets to send that to college, because at this point, clearly she really doesn't belong here. She's not safe here. And Kimmy, at this point as well, Kimmy doesn't need someone to have any leverage on her. And that girl is the number one person, because as for Rain, she could always like chest it out. But as sister, the way she's always my sister, my sister, my sister, she really needs to get her sister out of that place, because it is not safe at all. Moving to this annoying character, the attorney. Each time I see that guy, I just want to smash his head off. Does he realize like he's an attorney and not a boy toy, and not what should I call, and not an O? Like, does he realize that his job there is just the law and nothing else, like just the law and nothing else? So at this point, if you allow him, it's definitely going to, like, aside banging his love of his life, he's also going to bang the dad, bang the mom, bang Mallory, bang Roy. Like, seriously, is that also part of the package? Oh my goodness. Each time I see him, all I see is disappointment, big disappointment. I do hope he gets caught. I do hope Kimmy gets hold of him and realize that this guy is just two-faced, is just being a snitch, is not loyal, and get to cut him off. And as for his guy, Roy's brother, I can't remember his name. Wow, guys, wow. I never saw that in him. Honestly, like, I never saw that part in him. That means really he is a Valerie, because those moves. Anyway, those robbers deserve everything they got. They deserve everything, especially that prostitute, especially that one, because right from last season, that guy has been wanting to do this, and I'm so glad that it got the end of him. I am so glad. And I do hope he doesn't get caught. Honestly, guys, I hope he doesn't get caught, because I'll call it self-defense. I will call it self-defense. And I hope maybe the attorney will be able to like clean this mess up for him. This is something Drews normally do, but it's a good thing Drews is not aware of this, because if he is, that guy is definitely going to go down when the time comes. And finally, Norman. Wow, Norman. I am so happy Norman didn't have to remind us of his wife. Well, he did. He tried doing that, but I'm so glad it wasn't that serious compared to last season. So I am happy Norman has finally chilled a bit. And what he did to that judge and his wife, oh my god, that was disastrous. That was really disastrous. I don't know why Norman do that. I really don't know why. I feel sad for the family. I really do feel sad for the family. Well, Norman knows his brother, and one side of him is not surprised that his brother got to play them this way, and the other part is super angry and is also impressed. And as for the wife, oh my god, does she really thinks that she is that lady? Granny, it's time you take a back seat and just chill. You're no longer in the game, just rest. I would say the most interesting scene on her own part was the fact that she was just trying to get the attorney on her bed, and the guy is like, "How did I get here?" So these are all the interesting things I took out from Beauty in Black season 2, and I must say it was really interesting. Like, though there's something missing, I can't fully tell. But if I'm to compare the season 1 to season 2, okay. So for the storyline and the action, I would give it to the season 1. aside the bad acting, right? But for the season two, what I enjoyed the most about season two is that like the nudity was not there. Let me put it that way. The nudity was not there. So you can watch it, guys. You can actually watch it. Compared to season one, I'm glad CP took feedback. I'm so glad he took feedback and adjusted. Because when I was watching season two, I was like, oh wow, you mean you can get to show us the side of the club without all of those nonsense? I am so glad. And I appreciated the fact that the foul words wasn't it wasn't much like that. It was just Mallory like being so mean to all the bodyguards. I almost forgot this. When Roy instructed Jules that he doesn't want to see that guy no more, he doesn't want that guy driving his wife, I was like, hold up. Don't tell me you guys are about to remove Calvin. Like, why? Why? Oh God, I was so angry because Calvin was that one nigga that kept me glued to the screen. Like he has everything and is giving everything. Is that one person that gets to put Mallory in that position that she feels no man can put her in or nobody, right? And as for our assistants, I wonder why they also remove her. Like I also kind of enjoyed that part. I'm not going to lie. I did enjoy that part. I really do hope season three, Calvin will be coming back. Well, even though he's not driving Mallory, but at least I just want to be seeing that fine face, something like that. So, bestie, this is all for me for Beauty and Black. So, if I'm to rate Beauty and Black, I would rate in terms of everything, I would just give it like a 9. Yeah, I'll give it a 9 because, like I said earlier, there's something missing. Like after watching it, I am not longing for season three. I don't know why. I just don't know why. But when I was watching season one, I was so looking out for season two. And now I'm done watching season two. I'm just like, okay, so this is it. So I'll give it a 9/10, right? So compared to season one, the storylines for season one was like a 10 for me. The action as well, I think maybe it's because he had a lot of people, a lot of character, and this season two doesn't really have much character compared to the season one, I think so anyway. So I really do hope season three comes out more interesting than season two, and I hope to see my Calvin as well. So I would also recommend it as like a good series. Yeah, I would also recommend it. So if you're fun and you also like Tyler Perry's kind of movies, yeah, you're definitely going to enjoy this. You're definitely going to enjoy it. The storyline is beautiful. It's actually beautiful. So I do hope you enjoy watching this video. I hope you enjoy my review and my take on Beauty and Black. And if you don't, I don't think I really do care that much if you don't tell me on the comment section. So I'd love to hear your own thoughts, what you think about it after watching it. Is it a 10 for you or below a 10? Let me know. Let me know your best character in Beauty and Black. Tell me, tell me, tell me, tell me. So please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And if this is your first time here, this is how I do it. I get to look for interesting movie series and K drama, recommend them to you, filter it for you. So all you have to do is just to check them out. Are they your type or not? And you go ahead and watch it. So without you trying to figure it out yourself. Okay. And aside that, I also do interesting fun things. Yeah. So as usual, don't forget to subscribe to Annie's Recap. So see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. I love you guys and I appreciate you guys so much. Bye.